First of all, head over to Steam and click Library from the top bar. Once you are in the Library section, right-click on Grand Theft Auto 5 in the left bar and press Properties. When you are in the Properties tab, go to Local Files and you can see the option of Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click it once and wait for the magic to happen. It will take a while to complete this as it will check all the files in your GTA directory and fix any broken and missing files from your GTA and downloads them if they are needed. It's highly recommended that if you manually install your graphics mod and make any changes in the GTA directory, make sure to verify the integrity of the files as it really helps run the game smoothly and efficiently. Once it's complete, you can see in the left bar it says downloading. This means it found missing files in your GTA directory that need to be downloaded and put in order. It will do all of the work for you and you just need to wait for the downloading to complete before launching your GTA again. I've also made quick and easy tutorials on how to install and fix latest version of Reshade for 5M and GTA. Click on the cards shown on the top right corner to watch them. I try to keep my GTA and 5M tutorials as short and simple as possible. If you still have any questions and queries, comment down below or join my Discord and ping me in the support channel and I would love to resolve your issue. If this video was helpful for you, I would request you to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't miss to turn on the notifications so that you get notified next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.